Introducing the battery-powered power sweeper. Your go-to solution for easy, hassle-free cleaning anywhere. To get started, attach the batteries to the front of the sweeper. Lift the protective cover, secure both batteries in place, and connect the battery cables to the machine. To operate, press the safety button on the right side of the handle. While holding it, tilt the sweeper at an angle as shown in the video. Then pull the lever to activate the brush, and you're ready to sweep. Use the dial to adjust the machine's brushing depth, tailor it to your cleaning needs, whether it's light dust or heavier debris. Now just guide the sweeper over the areas that need cleaning and watch it pick up dirt and debris effortlessly. Walk forward and back on the same line for optimal results. When you're done or notice that the waste bag is full, lift the lid and simply detach it from the back of the machine. Then empty the contents with ease. The corded brush machine. Efficient, powerful, and designed to make your cleaning tasks easier than ever.